I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the coolant in your Nissan Juke. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or steam. Locate the radiator drain plug, typically found at the bottom of the radiator. Position a large drain pan underneath to catch all the old coolant. Open both the drain plug and the radiator cap to ensure a complete and steady flow. This initial step is crucial for a thorough coolant replacement. Now that the old coolant is out, it's time to flush the system. Close the radiator drain plug securely. Fill the radiator with distilled water, then start your engine and let it run for about 10 minutes. Remember to turn your heater to its maximum setting to ensure the heater core is also flushed. Drain this water and repeat the process until the water coming out is completely clear, indicating a clean system. With a clean system, we can now add fresh coolant. Double-check that the radiator drain plug is tightly closed. Slowly pour the new, correct specification coolant into the radiator until it's full. Also, fill your coolant reservoir to the max line. Take your time with this step to avoid air pockets and spills. Using a funnel can make this process much cleaner and more efficient, ensuring proper levels. The final crucial step is bleeding air from the system. Start the engine with the radiator cap off and let it warm up. As it warms, gently squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses to help release any trapped air bubbles. Top off the coolant as the level drops until it remains stable. Once done, replace the radiator cap, and after a short test drive, check for any leaks and ensure the coolant level in the reservoir is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.